channel. Today we are trying Domino's, guys. It's a taste test again.
Yeah, so we took 7 items, not
Close
8
to
like
the
we
8,
always do.
Yeah.
It cost us 1,010 baht for everything.
Yeah.
Good.
It's, I think, the most expensive place, but it's pizzas and a lot of other stuff. I think we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One thing.
Yeah, I think it's the chicken stick.
Okay.
I think.
So we'll tell you what you got and the price of the things.
This is pasta. Ooh, it's really hot. Really hot. Ooh.
First time I'm gonna try the pasta, guys, and I can't wait for this.
Yeah. Ooh.
It looks like mac and cheese. I don't know if it is. Okay, so pasta beef cheesy, it's 159 baht. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm sure I'm gonna love Domino's.
Okay, so now this is the cheese sticks.
What?
The cheese, no, the
Wings, spicy
the wings.
wings.
Spicy.
6 piece, it was 129 baht.
Korean spicy wings.
That looks so. Oh my god, it smells so good, guys. I wish you guys can smell it.
Maybe one day. This is the
corn and ricotta.
yeah.
Ricotta. Oh, I did it. And that was 279 baht. That's a medium size, guys.
Yeah.
It looks like a small size.
Yeah. Oh, this is the Korean bulgogi beef pizza.
And that was 279 baht. We also have the
One ching. No, sorry. One chang beer
and it was
pizza. You need a beer.
80 baht. And my water bottle was 15 baht. And we're missing one item that was 69 baht, and it's the desserts. So for a total of 1,010 baht. Now let's try it, guys. Oh shit!
Sorry. Okay, so now
what
let's
do you want to try first? You have
chicken.
2 first?
Yeah, the next one here.
The chicken?
Yeah, the chicken would be nice.
Like
What do you think?
our hands gonna be really dirty, but
Yeah, but
it's
I
nice.
have.
It's okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's really spicy.
Really spicy, guys.
My God, it's so good.
That's so good, guys. Yeah.
This is really good. It's a solid 10. Yeah. You, what do you think?
Sorry, guys. I give it a 10 out of 10, bro. It's really spicy though, but it's so good. The taste is, wow, I cannot describe it. It's so good.
Wanna try this pizza?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
So it's the corn and cheese pizza.
I was crazy that it was about to be big pizzas, but it's a tiny one.
It's the
So,
Asian size.
Yeah, as usual, guys, we took things that we don't see on the menu in Canada. We can get it wrong, but we tried to take the things that we don't see normally. Cheers.
Yeah, exactly. Cheers.
There's mushrooms.
But I don't feel it.
Yeah, mushrooms,
Corn.
ricotta cheese, and black olive.
Yeah, with mozzarella cheese too.
Oh yeah, mozzarella cheese. I think there's no beef on it.
No, it's vegetarian.
Oh,
No,
it's
really
so good.
This is the first time I eat vegetarian and it's so good.
Well, it's not the same as home. Yeah, it's so good.
But
I think there's garlic on it.
yeah, a little bit, but the thing is, I think the dough is the same as us. It's the same.
That's a real pizza, guys. I know you're gonna say, well, you had Domino's. Yeah, but we're at Domino's in Thailand, so.
I think it's a solid 10. Yeah.
Another 10. We'll finish it after.
Do you
Another
think
10.
you should continue with pizza?
No, I want to try mine.
Yep.
I cannot wait for that.
Thank you. Perfect.
So, is this good?
Still hot, right?
We're gonna try it. Whoop. There's onions on top
Yeah.
with, I think, garlic. Ooh.
And cheese.
What?
Ah, it's spaghetti.
Spaghetti? I didn't know it was spaghetti. I thought it was like mac and cheese. Oops.
I'm not a huge fan of the orange cheese whiz style.
I don't know how
Cheese?
it's gonna taste. Cheers.
It's not bad, but I don't like them. I
The
don't like
sauce.
this cheese. It's not bad, but
It's not bad.
I don't.
I think the sauce is weird. I
think
don't know
it's-
what's the taste of the sauce. I will give it a.
Yeah, I think it's the cheese the problem.
Oh yeah, it's just cheese.
Yeah, it's like cheese whiz. I hate the cheese whiz. But for the
I'm a
rest,
little bit sad, guys.
I think it's a 7. I think it's a 7. Oh man, I forgot that sound.
I will give it a 7 too, guys. I'm really sad. I'm really sad. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I'm really sad. Sorry.
yeah. I think it's a little bit disappointing, but
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like.
but it's not a big deal. It's a good.
okay.
It's a 7. So the rest of the pizza.
I'm gonna try the pizza now.
Just look amazing.
And yes, guys, I smell my food like till I was born. I always love to smell to try to see if it's gonna be good or not.
To
But
respond to this comment.
Yeah. But most of the food in Thailand, you smell it, it doesn't smell good, but it's good. So you need to not always trust your smell. So let's go. That's really good.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's so good.
It's really spicy.
Oh, yeah?
The dough is amazing. Yeah.
Mine is not
It's
weird.
spicy. Really good, really good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Again, the dough, it's the same thing.
10 out of 10 for me.
It's crazy.
Kapungap.
And just on time,
Last but not least, guys,
the cinnamon puffs, if I
the
can say
chocolate
that,
on the side.
is chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need some help. Really. So
I'm going to help you.
yeah, there's a dip.
Chocolate. Oh, cinnamon.
Yeah,
Cinnamon dip.
good.
It's not chocolate, it's cinnamon. Let's try it. It's hot.
Yeah.
Really hot. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that is so good.
What the heck?
So I'm gonna ditch that to replace it.
Guys, it's so good.
Yeah.
Yes, I do
Wow.
double dip because
Yeah.
we're eating together.
What do you want?
Okay, so I will give it a 10 out of 10.
Ah, yeah, for me too, for sure.
So that was it, guys, for the taste test. Now
we're gonna
let's eat.
Okay.
So that was it, guys, for the taste test of
It
Domino's.
was so good.
We can say it was perfect.
I think the thing that I maybe not like as much as the rest was the pasta, but
Oh yeah.
the rest was 10 on 10. It's crazy.
For me, my most favorite thing was the dessert. Oh my god, guys, the dessert was
The
so
dessert
good.
was good, but for me the pizza, the Korean bulgogi, I don't know if I budged the name or not, but it was so good.
It was a 10 out of 10 for Domino's. It was a good place to go eat. And yeah, I know it's pizza, and Americain is a really good place. Domino's was the fast food Domino's here in Thailand. I think it's the same.
Perfect.
So it's perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you in another video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.